sequência de mete, toma, soca, soca.
Rimuru とは心の友、魂の片割れ。
Ele me arrastou pra dentro e eu fiquei à vontade. Fui tirando a roupa toda e começou a sacar.
Did you know, Veldora Tempest struggles with suppressing his immense magicules due to his extraordinary power. This constant suppression is exhausting for him and poses a significant challenge. If Veldora were unable to suppress his aura and accidentally released it on Tempest, the consequences would be catastrophic. His immense power would have dire effects on the surroundings, turning the area into a land of death. This uncontrolled release of magicules could lead to the spawning of numerous dangerous monsters, potentially even at the level of a calamity-class threat like Charybdis. The death toll among weaker beings, including many citizens of Tempest, would be enormous, as most would not be able to withstand the intensity of Veldora's aura. However, thanks to Lumina's Embrace Drain technique to help Veldora release his excess magicules, allowing him to return to normal. This technique involved Lumina's draining Veldora's magicules while causing him pain, which also served as a form of revenge for Lumina's.
How's